I've been able to fish pretty much all over the Southeast, through Florida, the Bahamas, Costa Rica, and I can tell you that this trip to Panama, specifically Seagull Cove, has been just absolutely fantastic. The most interesting part of it was the diversity of fishing. The reach of the fishery was incredible. You could run 30 or 40 miles with your crew and fish for sailfish, billfish, and have legitimate chances at all of them. Multiple hookups, trolling lures, or live bait fishing.
My son loves to fish, my husband loves to fish. I like to fish for a little while.
Sure.
So to be able to go out on the boat, fish a little bit with my family, and then have other options.
Flexibility
Was nice.
huge.
It was really amazing at the way they took care of our families and pivoted and provided some flexibility so that we could do that, but also really helped our kids out.
To be able to come to Panama and be able to have the flexibility to where when you're fishing and you go work and you wake up early and you get a good breakfast up front and you're able to go out on the water early and you're able to get out, right? You're able to go out there early, but knowing that your wife and your kids are sleeping,
Yeah.
and they can enjoy the morning and watching the sunrise, and they're going to have a great breakfast as well. And they're out on the water,
Yeah.
and and you can communicate.
Frigate birds everywhere, bait fish all over the place, acres of bonita. They were full of turtles.
The waters are very fertile, from the turtles to the porpoises that are running, jumping out of the water, truly jumping out of the water acrobatically.
There is something really, really special about waking up to the sound of howler monkeys instead of an alarm clock.
100%. We should record it and then hopefully make it our own.
We did jump an ice blue marlin our first morning, multiple rooster fish between 35 and 60 pounds, Cubera snapper.
I had a great fishing experience, caught the best 4 fish of my life.
I caught a big snapper off the dock,
You did?
and I got to watch him come up and eat a piece of sardine, so I thought that was really cool.
Really? Were you feeding him? What were you feeding him?
I was feeding them little chopped up pieces of bonita.
Yeah. So I was pretty impressed with the ease of fishing down here, the way the crew handled our needs, specifically as guys who just wanted to go as far as we could and run as far as we could and fish all day till we were absolutely exhausted. I felt like we got that opportunity.
Not having to worry when you have your family with you and not having to worry about breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, activities.
Yeah.
There are just people here to handle all of those things, and
That trickle-down effect when a mom feels relaxed or a parent feels relaxed it's felt all the way down.
Mama's happy, everyone's happy.
Everyone's happy.
I really like dinner at the Cobb salad. It's really good. You just pass the fish to the cookers and they say, what do you want it?
We caught a snapper on the first day of fishing, and they fried it and brought out these, I've never seen before, they were like lemon, but it was a lot stronger, and that was very, very delicious.
It was fresh and beautiful, right?
I mean, it had been swimming in the water 3 hours earlier.
The service was perfect. Everyone's very friendly, everyone's very nice.
The convenience, the security, the safety of Seagull Cove is one of a kind. It's a one-of-a-kind experience. It is truly a one-of-a-kind experience.